So in this question it says if z is any complex number satisfying modulus of z minus 3 minus 2i is less than equals to 2, then the maximum value of 2z minus 6 plus 5i is. We are given that modulus of z minus 3 minus 2i is less than equals to 2. We need to find the maximum value of 2z minus 6 plus 5i modulus. इसको हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, 2 बाहर निकाल देंगे तो z minus 3 plus 5i by 2. Now basically we are going to use using triangle inequality. What does this statement say? It says that if z1 modulus minus z2 modulus whole mod is always less than equals to modulus of z1 plus z2. हमारे पास एक्सप्रेशन क्या है? हमारे पास एक्सप्रेशन है z minus 3 plus 5i by 2. We can write it as modulus of z minus 3 minus 2i plus 2i plus 5i by 2, which in turn can be written as z minus 3 minus 2i plus 9i by 2. Using the triangle inequality, this is definitely less than modulus of z minus 3 minus 2i minus 9 by 2. And this is less than equals to, this expression is given as 2. So 2 minus 9 by 2. So this is less than 5 by 2. So the expression is z minus 3 plus 5i by 2. This is less than equals to 5 by 2. Or we can say that 2 times z minus 6 plus 5i is less than equals to 5. So the maximum value of this expression is 5. So the correct answer to this question is 5.